everyone, welcome back to another episode on Cassandra's Diaries. Today I will be showing you some of the processes of my junk journaling. So I started this a few months back, and it is one of the best decisions I have ever taken. So, um, to do this video, I think I need you to know what junk journaling is. If you know that's something, and if you don't know, don't worry, I can introduce you to that. So, a junk journal is typically a handmade book crafted from recycled materials, all paper and everyday ephemera. It serves as a personal time capsule, art space, or a memory book where you layer textures, ticket stubs, and notes without the pressure of a blank white page. So, like it could be magazines, it could be flight tickets, it could be labels, packets of, when you go to a cafe, there's these logos, tissues, leaflets, and all those sorts of things. And it is something so amazing to do when it comes to, if there's an empty notebook and you don't know what to do with it, that's also something. When it comes to the pros of junk journaling, it improves mental well being by reducing anxiety, defeating perfectionism, and fostering mindfulness through low cost and rule free creative expressions. Basically, by blending traditional journaling and scrapbooking, and there's this mixed media collaging, it gives a second life to everyday items like receipts, packaging, and tickets. Furthermore, it defeats perfectionism and reduces anxiety, as I said, processes difficult emotions, and there's this anchoring of present moment focus, cultivating daily gratitude, turns routing into treasure hunts, preserves physical memories, affordable accessibility, and eco friendly sustainability, complete creative freedom. So, in a sense, you can use the best out of the worst and create something so creative that you can never imagine. So I hope you understood. So I leave it up to the video for you to watch. And this is an ASMR video. Enjoy.
Glad you could join me, the pleasure's all mine. A little touch of magic, a classic design. It's Cassandra Pereira.